Are you using the litter system in your poultry farm but not sure when to clean it? In today's video, we will break down the best time to clean your deep litter, how to know when it is overdue, and expert tips to keep your chickens healthy and your farm odor free. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If today is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate your love and your support. Best time to clean deep litter in poultry farming plus expert tips. The deep litter system is a popular method where bedding material is allowed to accumulate on the floor of your poultry house over time. Instead of removing waste daily, you stir it regularly and allow beneficial microbes to break it down naturally. This saves time, reduces odor, and promotes health if managed correctly. Another thing is that how often should you clean it? One of the most common question is how often should you clean the coop using deep litter? Ideally, you only do a full clean out once or twice a year, usually during extreme seasonal changes like before rainy season or after harvest. However, you should add fresh bedding weekly and stir the litter every 2 to 3 days to prevent caking and bad smell. Another thing to look out is sign it is time for a full clean out. So here are signs that your deep litter needs a full clean. Sign number 1, strong ammonia smell. This can affect your pet's respiratory health. 2, wet or sticky litter. It encourages bacteria and parasites. Sign number 3, too much fly activity. Sign number 4, litter depth over 12 inches with no breakdown. What is the tip? If you see these signs, don't wait. Clean it out immediately and restart the deep litter with fresh material. So now we are going to look at expert tips for deep litter success. Here are few pro tips. Please, if you have watched to this very moment and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and join the great family and join the great farmers. So, here are a few pro tips. Number 1, use dry materials like rice bran, wood shavings, or sawdust. Number 2, add agricultural lime to control odor and moisture. Number 3, maintain proper ventilation to help decomposition. Point 4, don't let water spill. Place drinkers on stands. And should in case you have water spills, all what you need to do is to always remove that wet places. You always remove it. It may be daily where you used to place water. If at all you have water spillage, you always remove the sawdust so that it will be able to remain dry. Avoid, you will not be able, it will not be, you will not, so that it will not be caked. So another way that you will be able to achieve this is for you to always keep your litter dry. Always keep your litter dry, and remember to stir it every 2 to 3 days. Look at it, very dry. Look at the litter, and we are about to pack, or we are changing this litter. Always keep this litter very dry, and you'll be able to see so many changes on your poultry farm. When your chicken house or coop is clean, you will see how your birds will always be happy, and there is nothing that can stop them from laying good eggs. They will be healthy. They will be healthy. Happy chicken. There you will see good production when your chicken are happy. Just look at that. Just look at that. They are happy, and there's nothing that will stop them from laying good and quality eggs. Managing deep litter the right way can save you time, reduce disease, and improve poultry performance. It will surely improve poultry performance when your birds are healthy and they are happy. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more poultry farming tips, and also share so that it will get to other farmers. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Thanks so much. So I have so many videos on my channel. If you want to start poultry farm from the scratch, you can visit my channel, and I have so many videos on that.